Today we'll be coding a simple program to check whether a number is a prime number or it's not a prime number. So it's a prime number checker. So what is a prime number? A prime number can be defined as, that is, a prime number is a number which is not divisible by any positive number other than the number other than 1 and the number itself. So how do we code? Now let us define a function to check the prime number. So define prime checker, and we'll take num, that is the number for which we will be checking whether it's a prime number or it's not. Okay, now the thing to note is 1 is not a prime number. So if the number is greater than 1, then only we'll be checking for it. So for I in the range from 2 till that number. Now the upper limit is n only, because here the number is not include, because in this case we need to check it before that number, because that number is only divisible now. That is the reason. Okay, so if any other number is divisible, that is from in this range. Okay, if any number is divisible, that is if num mod I equals to 0, then it's not a prime number. Break out of the loop even if it's divisible. So we do not, if one number is divisible, we do not need to check if another number gets divisible. Once it's divisible, means it's not a prime number. Now come out of the loop and write else it is a prime number. Another thing to note, that if it was 1, in that case it is, we will be printing as 1 is not a prime number. If suppose if the user has inputted 1, for that case we will be printing 1 is not a prime number. Okay, now we will be taking, so this was the function. Now we'll be taking an input from the user and we'll be converting it to integer. So int input, enter the number you want to check. Okay, and we will be calling the function on the input. Okay, let us check an output, and the number 15 is not a prime. Okay, good. Then 17, yes, this is a prime number. So it's a working code. Thank you for watching.